Baby Creations.
And what do you make?
I make wallets, flower pins, all different sizes, and I make koozies to put your Cokes and stuff in, and then I make purses and bookmarks, and bows, but...
How did you start deciding to make all these things?
Well, I had some friends at school, and they came up and they had like flower pins and stuff, and so I searched on YouTube how to make them, and so I just started making them, and then I got the idea to make all other stuff, and I actually went to a camp and she was making wallets like this. So
my name is Alex Rosale, and my business is called Alex Incorporated, and I sell necklaces, little ones to bracelets, keychains, earrings, and a lot of my stuff is reasonable price, and I learn.
How long does it take you to make like some of these necklaces?
Depending on it, like this one probably took me an hour or something, and things like these took me not very long, and if I have everything like this, it'll probably take me an hour.
hello, my name is Jacob Flint, and I am selling these cupcakes for business. It's called Jake's Cakes.
And tell me a little bit about these cupcakes. How do I buy one?
You can just yeah, they're $2 each, and you can just say what you want, and then
Are you going to put all that frosting on for me, or do I do it?
you do it, or if you need help, then yeah.
And then what kind of toppings do you recommend?
I'd pretty much recommend the gumballs, the M&Ms, or the gummy bears.
And how did you start making these tutus?
Mom got what a teacher from a girl at work, and we decided to start making it.
How long does it take you to make a tutu?
About 15 minutes.
I learned this stuff off of YouTube, how to weave and wrap the dream catcher. I made these of all those wheels.
How long does it take you to make these?
I forgot. I never even told.
Okay. You have lots of different kind. How did you decide what kind of colors you wanted to use?
I didn't decide. I just tried them out.
Just tried them out to see if they work. Tell me about these over here.
Oh. I wrapped this around and I put a bead, a little bead in the middle, and then I weaved it.
My name is Julie, and this is Julie's Shine, and this is Body Scrubs, and that's Chopstick.
Okay. And how did you make all this?
With
How'd you make the hand scrubs?
with some salt and some coconut oil.
Okay. Where did you get that idea? On the internet. Okay. How long does it take you to make some of these different scrubs?
Like 5 or 6 minutes.
Starting animal treats for dogs and cats.
Okay. Okay. And how did you decide to start doing that?
Well, I went to be a vet and a chef in my early life, so I realized those two didn't go together, so I kind of just made a way to put it together.
Okay. And you have lots of nice little bags here. What's in some of these different ones? Tell me about this one.
This one, it makes their breath smell better.
Oh, that's
There's a pumpkin.
And how long does it take you to make these?
Really not that long. All you gotta do is make the dough, roll it out, and then like just make it.
Okay. Do you have to bake them?
Yeah, you make it.
Okay.
I'm Summer, and my business is by Summer, and I'm selling keychains and charms.
Okay. Tell me about how you made some of these.
I got my mom's beads and just strung them.
How long does it take you to make some of those?
It took 2 days.
Wow. And how do you decide kind of what colors you want to go on there?
My mom has a board, and we put the beads on it. So, watermelon and cantaloupe and honeydew.
Okay. How did you get this watermelon and cantaloupe? Did you go buy it at the store?
No, we grew, our family farm grew them, and so we picked them yesterday.
Okay. And how much are you selling them for?
How much are you selling them for?
The honeydew and cantaloupe are for $2 each, and the special for the honeydew and the cantaloupe is 3 for $5, and the watermelons are $5.